How to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account, all you have to do is just open up your browser and then just log into paypal.com. As you can see, once you're logged into your account, in order to withdraw your money to a bank account, there are two ways. One is you can directly add a bank account, or you can link a card of that specific bank. So basically on my dashboard, if you've not linked your card already, you'll find the option called link a card or link a card on the right hand side. When you click on that option, it will just take you to the page where you can simply enter your debit or credit card details, your card number, your card type, whether it's a Visa, MasterCard, Amex, American Express, Discover or Union Pay card, whatever type of card you have, just enter them, enter the expiration date, enter the security code, then click on the link card button and your card will be successfully linked. Or else what you could also actually do is you can just come back and then go to the wallet tab. Basically, once you come to the wallet tab, you'll be able to add funds to your bank account directly next time whenever you want to withdraw it. And this is it on how you can transfer and withdraw money to your bank account from PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.